Hi, I'm Blair Gilbert here from MrHardware.com and Gilbert's Pro Hardware in St. Clair Shores, here to show you when selecting a brush for deck cleaning why I choose the more economical acid brush over the other two brushes. When it comes to buying scrub brushes and whatever you find, most of these all have a handle, threaded handle and a tapered handle, so you can put them on a stick so that you can work standing up. This is my window washing brush and vehicle brush. This is a very soft bristle and it holds a lot of product. I dip this in a bucket of soap, it holds tons. Very good, not very stiff, kind of soft, more for just windows in my vehicle. On the other hand, a stiff scrub brush like this is nice, real strong bristles. Problem is, it doesn't hold any product. When I dip this in the soap and I pull it back out and I want to apply soap to my project, the soap just runs out of the bristles. Mama bear in the middle is the acid brush. Softer bristles, shorter so that they scrub better to get in the cracks, yet soft so they don't damage vinyl seats on the boat and such. And here on my deck, this is the best way to get soap out of a bucket and clean. This is one of my favorite brushes, yet it's quite inexpensive and most people don't know anything about it. The acid brush was used by brickies when they laid brick and they had mortar all over the bricks. They would take a dilute solution of muriatic acid, the acid brush on a handle, and they would take and they would apply the muriatic acid to the bricks. It would soften and dissolve the mortar and they could rinse the mortar off the house. Need to get the bird crap off the deck. This bucket of trisodium phosphate and warm water, and this brush with the soft bristles holds a fair amount of soap. And get a pretty good quantity of soap down. Besides holding a lot of product, because the bristles are somewhat porous, it also being short and stiff, you can see it's an excellent scrub brush. It holds a lot of product, it's got short, stiff bristles, and it does an excellent job of scrubbing down in the cracks and hard to get to areas.